Sure made a mess on Dad's floor here. You're gonna have to clean that up tomorrow.
Let's do that.
Huh?
Let's do that, me and you.
You want to clean it up tomorrow?
Yeah,
Together?
Yeah.
We do that. Beautiful morning. Oh, 1,000, maybe 1,100 RPMs. We're chasing dreams today. We're also chasing away our yields because of cultivation. Man. Straight shots, I got it. You throw in a little bend, wham. I took out 4 cones. Gets a little skinny in places. Oh, shucks. Anyways, we're at the field. Gotta open this up as wide as she can go. I think I can just do it this way. Come with me now. Okay, now we can cut. It's one of those jobs. It's going to be a lot. Thinking back at it, I'm about a half tank fuel. I should have definitely filled up. I think it's going to take all of the half tank. Oh. 6 hours, and I still have another 30 to go. But I'm done for the day. I've had enough. Oh, my body's tight from bouncing. These fields are not smooth. They're janky. So you can only mow at 4 miles an hour. Takes a while. I've never really smelled triticale, so it's late. But it smells like skunk. Or I hit a skunk. I don't know. But it smells. Alright. Peace. Dry good. I'm not the easiest on my truck. But I just bomb through the fields. Not sure that's why the bushes are out. Dips are out. It's just everything rattles. It just lives a tough life. This is year 4 for her, the girl. And I need another rebuild on the drive lane. You know, all the suspension parts. I need a new diff in the rear. We got it all. We just gotta put it in. But we gotta get the other truck done first. But then we gotta bale hay and cut more. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Don't make me do this in vain. Yeah. Getting ready to go back at her. 7 o'clock. The dew is in the middle of burning off. Not enough. That's all right. We're going to put in another 5 gallons. Last night before I was done, I had 5 gallons in the truck, just in case the truck runs out. Put that in. I got another 5 this morning. Making it 10. This tractor sips the fuel. It's incredible. So we should have enough to get done and home. She's thirsty. Relax the throat. Perfect. That's a good German beer drinking technique. I don't know if this land became like set aside or something, but look at the seed buildup on the hood of the disc bike. I bet there's 50 pounds of seed. Oh. I think I got 2 hours left up here. I can't be done soon enough. This land sucks. It's a custom job and it sucks. Okay, we got oil change. I wanted to show you my patch. So usually that's a hold down block, or a block, like a chunk of plastic. I changed it out to a roller bearing because I think it holds better. So we gotta get getting some oil. One day I'll have one of them automatic greasers and oilers.
Because we're gonna load some bales. Yeah. All 180 of them. Voila.
Oh, we're back to baling hard. I don't know whoever has to blow that thing off. Well, they are gonna be one dusty some gun. This stuff dried and it has created just a gnarly dust storm when you bale it. I'll show you in a second here. Sometimes it gets so bad I can't even see the belts. God dang. Are we baling sand? Hey. Look at that pour right off it. If a belt started on fire or bearing did, I couldn't tell. Maybe a change in the color of smoke. Oh, we're not stopping. We're going to the end. Get her, get her. Got it. Got it. Sometimes you gotta hurry up and beat the net wrap before it kicks in. Because, you know, I hate starting to bail at the end. Up, up, up. All right, let's get back at her. And that's a wrap on this field. Get her locked in. Transport mode. Engage. Ah, man. Beautiful alfalfas. Little bit of grass in her. Otherwise, smells good alfalfa. Oh. Let's see if it crimped. Oh, we can turn the crimper up a little bit more. Probably should adjust that. Day of no dry hay. We tried. We got to 35% moisture. It was just too much. It won't dry. It's now 95 degrees out. All the humidity, light sun, no wind. So we're round baling and we're wrapping. I just want to make small squares. That's crazy. Some people just don't like that. And I'm over here. I like small squares. We got Dylan using the McHale today. They live just down the road. So I pulled in a favor. Said, hey, come bale these so I can wrap them. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get the wrapper and skid steer. Yay. just before 7 and it is now 85 degrees and all the humidity. Rapid's going good. I like the double roll thing. You can do a lot of bales. Sure helps. Tarzan just kicking ass. We don't have a grabber, we broke it, so we're just giving her a pinhole and I'm going through and taping each one. It's fun, it really is. Everybody should try this farming thing.